Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google voice search bar is not available problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now first open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search Google, tap on Google, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on permission and now allow all permission. And finally open your Google search bar. Now open Google search bar. I hope solve your problem. ChatGPT. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much. FIFA World Cup.
ワールドカップの試合日程で
Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.